Hughes here, and I'm in the Solomon Islands with Shaz and Wes, and you're going to tell us a little bit about a new pairing up you have going on there.
Absolutely. So we've just started and expanded our itineraries, and we're now traveling from Solomon Islands up to Papua New Guinea and back. So it's brand new exploratory diving.
Okay.
In fact, our first trip is just finishing up tomorrow.
Cool. And now, are you just making up new dive site names as you go?
As
because
we go.
They've never been there before, right?
Absolutely, yeah. So as our guests are exploring and discovering new sites that literally are pristine, no one in the world has ever dove before, the guests also get to name the sites.
Cool. That is a neat little thing to put in your cap, as it were.
Cool. Obviously, there's signature sites that we'll want to do, but what we're finding the big selling feature is the transition trips from Solomon Islands to Papua New Guinea, and especially in the Bougainville area, because there hasn't been traditionally much diving there.
And so you want 1 to 2 weeks, right?
We do 10-day trips, and then you can add 7 days on either side of it if you're one of those lucky ones that gets lots and lots of holidays.
Perfect. Or just make the time anyway.
There you go.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And if they want more information, they will go to?
Solomon Islands Dive Expeditions.
Perfect. Thank you.